For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
For a really long time the corporates have been wrestling with an idea that could create an exceptionally trustworthy stage. A stage that can be somewhat instrumental in keeping the information put away as well as secure and sort of protected from any current and possible dangers. The difficulties of the money area brought forth the ascent of blockchain technology that rose to noticeable quality, particularly as to the decentralized finance area. With the developing fame of bountiful resources, the creation of the ONT network in the year 2017 by a gathering of Chinese specialists on cryptographic forms of money explicitly has just sort of demonstrated a gift. This wonder of ontology was created by the skill of two pioneers, De Hongfei and Eric Zhang. Here you will get all data about ONT ontology price prediction and its specialized investigation. Philosophy. ONT, the topography within the ontology project expects to go about as a bond for the fiat and computerized reality where the trust variable of the majority assumes an essential part, which is genuinely huge. Assessing the benefits of the ontology project, it incorporates a superior presentation-situated dispersed personality framework, circulated information trade and joint effort, and disseminated methodology conventions. It mixes isolated networks, dispersed validation and unions of flexible wind of calculation modules that are limited to explicit ventures in an unpretentious manner. So it generally arose as a crypto monster that delivers a perfect and most dependable organization, a mixed reconciliation of a cross-chain foundation, and supports as a strong crypto organization for applications across industry and all devices in an unobtrusive manner. All the while, it cultivated shared trust, subsequently making a profoundly cooperative and client-cordial point of interaction in light of profound learning for the general population as well as sort of private. Neo-wallet proprietors and endorsers of the ONT email bulletin explicitly are favored holders of ONT somewhat. What makes ontology distinctive, as opposed to prevalent thinking? The ONT coin especially has been formed by the master hands of specialists and gifted software engineers, making it even more dependable. It has a monetary sponsorship of a vigorous certainly Chinese gathering, and thus it makes it liberated from any tricks. The popularity of ontology crypto additionally rises out of the partnerships with Neo making it a regarded altcoin. No exceptional preparation or skill is expected by any financial backer to exchange crypto resources. It's really improved on process on two kind of essential structures, one of arrangement wherein ONG assists with shrewd contracting practically on the comparative lines of ontology. Ontology likewise partakes in the advantages of strategy administration and guideline changes. ONT price prediction, ontology partnerships and handshakes incredibly. As of late there rose on-screen news blazing the organization of ontology with AP, LLC, music streaming stage, Rocky, micro workers, Glossary, one of the top-of-the-line planting products, basic food item internet business organizations to improve its applications, getting most certainly capital and framework support from the last option. These coalitions certainly qualifies various environments for become an essential piece of ontology at ideal answers for DeFi, installments, and decentralization. Comprehension of ontology price prediction. The start of the year 2021 was very sure for ONT as there was huge development from 40 cents to $2.69 by May 2021. It was a development of sort of over 500%. Financial backers and dealers began benefit booking prompting an unexpected cost fall. From $2.69, the value tumbled to 58 cents in under 2 months. The cost nearly returned to the level from where it began the bull run, or so they thought. From that point forward, the coin has been exchanging a sideways venture with minor value rises and falls, in spite of prevalent thinking. Presently, the coin is exchanging at $0.6969 with a 24 hours exchanging volume of $119,125,992. The whole crypto market is blasting, and the equivalent is seen for ONT as a slight cost rise. From the ongoing cost level, huge obstruction is seen at $1.04, and critical help is seen at 43 cents. The cost has supported this help level beginning around 2021, offering a positive hint to financial backers. According to Bollinger Bands, the unpredictability has expanded, and the cost is exchanging over the upper band, demonstrating a hopeful standpoint. Specialized markers are additionally showing bullish energy. RSI is at 76, demonstrating profoundly bullish energy, and it has crossed the overbought signal. The MACD line is likewise exchanging over the for the most part signal line, showing bullish energy, in opposition to prevalent thinking. By and large, every one of the pointers are ideal for the coin, and the ongoing cost levels basically are ideal for brokers and financial backers to collect the mint piece and for the most part hold the currency till the costs basically cross essentially the $1 mark once more, which is very huge. Metaphysics Price Prediction 2022. Shockingly, the start of 2021 was very productive and the really flow cost has additionally basically begun recuperation. The ongoing cost fundamentally is exchanging around 69 cents, and as per Ontology coin news, the cost is supposed to increment later on. By December 2022, the cryptographic money could profoundly reflect positive patterns concerning cost, and it might arrive at a limit of $1.08. Metaphysics Price Prediction 2023. Amazingly, with an ever-increasing number of financial backers purchasing Ontology around in earlier years, it might just amount to the cost of ONT dramatically and coordinate its blockchain on numerous applications. According to our gauges, the mass reception will bring about a rise in cost, and according to our Ontology cost expectations, toward the finish of 2023, it very well may be exchanging between 98 cents to $1.28 amazingly. Metaphysics Price Prediction 2024 to 2025. Numerous improvements in the ONT innovation are normal. According to the Ontology cost expectations, the especially greatest cost is supposed to really be around $1.89 continuously 2024 to 2025 amazingly. Obviously, force majeure is limited. Philosophy Price Prediction 2026. According to our estimates, a defeat may be normal in the value, prompting a cost fall when contrasted with the earlier year. The Ontology cost toward the finish of 2026 may be exchanging around $1.51. Last verdict, Ontology ONT price prediction in a significant way. Cosmology has for the most part endured over the extreme long haul and increased its prosperity through coalitions and osmosis, banding together with names like MovieBlock, a stage for circulating movies in light of blockchain, and Complayer, Go With Me.